look at how many compressors the boss has. Guess what? It's too many compressors. He does not need this many fucking air compressors. But that's whatever. I'm seriously, I'm gonna be moving like 6 of these stupid things. And we're gonna, and he's decided that we're going to get 3 more that I have to disconnect from a bunch of crap, which is gonna be a blast. Anyway, hey look, it's another one of these. Alright, today on Mike Drives, we're gonna drive a big forklift, because we can, and shit. Look at this thing. It's pretty big. Can't do a Mike Drives of this one, unfortunately, because this is not my boss's. This is somebody else's. So it's going to go in another video, but I thought it was a cool shear. Big one of the bigger shears I've ever seen. Look at this thing. That's a pretty big dealio. There's another one over there, except that's not a shear, that's a... I don't even know what the fuck that is. I can't keep track of all the shit that they haul in and out of here. Oh man, this is fun. Check this out. Everywhere. That's fucking great. That's just fucking hunky-dory is what that is. Come on, get off of there. There we go. It's a forklift, yay! Kitty, kitty! What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh boy. Look. Here comes another one. God, he drives so slow. I bet you can't guess what it is. The suspense is killing me. Oh, of course, it's another air compressor. Alrighty, wasn't that fun? Out.